In our first video, we made it to Port Renfrew where we found the ancient conifer, the Big Lonely Doug. In this video, we go seeking ancient waterfalls. Remember to like and subscribe to our video, and please leave a comment. It really does help, and we love to hear you all. Let's get after this video now. Good morning, gang. So, Saturday morning, we slept pretty good. Dawn's not quite tent ready yet, though. She said her hips are still getting used to about tent bed ready. She said she needs a third hip to rotate on. But we did good. I actually came out of bed and injured myself pretty good on my foot. Tripped. I got my toenail just right, clipped on the edge of the goose gear. And yeah, if that sounds painful, it was. So it's like, how bad is this? But I think I got it to stop bleeding, and bad guys. Got it to stop bleeding and got it bandaged up. So I think we'll be good. We're gonna have some coffee and then get packed up and start some adventures. Hopefully 3 waterfalls today. No clue where we're staying tonight. We'll figure it out as we go. And we're going to take you with us for coffee. All right, Dawn, where are we at?
We are at Sombrio Beach.
Sombrio Beach. We're here. There's a pretty cool waterfall here, if we can find it. It's pretty busy though. It is a holiday here in Canada as well. But we'll mark trail, show you here.
I see surfers.
We will see what we see. So that was West Sombrio. We have to go to East Sombrio, is that what they said? Or West Sombrio?
We're on west. Now we needed to go east.
Yeah, so update,
Sombrio.
gang. We went to the wrong Sombrio side of this area. It's all...
There's a fork and you got to go one way or the other.
Yeah, we're like, well, we'll go this way.
Pick this way.
Fortunately, there were some young ladies down there camping, and we just confirmed our route, and they're like, nope. So now we're turning back. Gonna head the other way. They say it's totally worth it.
If we can find the water.
Yeah, they say it's totally worth it. So here we go. Whew, quick update. Hopefully we're going the right way, but we see other people going that way, so we're feeling like this is probably the best. But check it out.
Pull your backpacks up. Your stick. There you go. This video is brought to you by Chiba.
Update. We did take the wrong creek, and we ran into some ladies that we saw coming down earlier and talked to them, and they told us that they also took the wrong one as well. So we figured that one is where everyone goes first, and then you're like, huh, that doesn't work. But we found it. It's here. Oh, this is stunning.
Little behind the scenes, Sean setting up for the shot. We're gonna be in here a while, but this waterfall is gonna be worth it for this footage. And we are in here all by ourselves, which never happens, so we're very lucky.
Oh, there's the waterfall. All right, gang, we made it. We hiked up this high.
Waterfall number 2.
Waterfall number. This isn't the one we were planning on coming to, but if one doesn't go according to plan, this is gorgeous.
So cool how you get here.
Yeah, you had to rock climbing to get up here for sure. Going back's going to be
The tide's coming in.
well, and its hands are full. That's the hard part. But check it out. Yeah. Step. All right, so Don and I, we tried to go to Mystic Beach, but it was not quite feeling it today. And so we found a couple spots and we're like, you know, we want to call it good now, be done and just enjoy the outdoors.
Okay.
And we said yes. That's what we want to do. So here's where we're at.
Check these out.
Don's gonna have a beautiful...
I'm gonna make a flower arrangement for camp.
Oh, and don't be mad. Those were already broke down.
Already broken by
Someone else already stomped them. So she's like, well, I might as well make them look pretty since they're gonna die. So that's why we're gonna do it. So we're gonna hang out here. It's just dispersed camping. This is a great spot. Main road's really close, but really quick for us. Yeah, you can't see it, and for us, perfect. So we're gonna set up. I think I can get Starlink up, and we're just gonna make the best of this spot. Amazing. It's not like it's hard to make the best. We're gonna make the best. Jeez, poor guys. We're gonna make the best of this spot. You guys suck, Sean and Don. All right, so we're gonna make some turkey sandwiches right now. Just chillax. Sorry about the backlighting, but that's our view right now. Beautiful out, and we're just gonna make this our final night. Tomorrow we're gonna head to Victoria, spend a day in there before catching the boat back. We're gonna mark this spot though. There's a bunch of spots right here that when we come back in the van, these might be good spots if we're running into a pickle trying to find a pickle. How old am I? I'm running into a problem trying to find a spot to actually stay for the night. But after all our hiking, we thought it'd be good to just chillax, really enjoy ourselves. And this feels nice too, because it's, you know, yesterday we were at the beach and there's people around you and stuff, but here, even though there's a road pretty damn close to us, and we might get a couple more people come down this trail, it's private, you know, and no one around us, just peaceful, and that's what we love. Check out this Alucab awning. Like, I'm directionally into the wind right now, and apparently this thing's just a champ. Anyways, I'm gonna make some lunch and enjoy all of this. Good morning, gang. It is Sunday. It is, I don't even know what time it is. 8:12 a.m. Don and I have been kind of laying around up in the tent, just kind of a lazy morning. Watched a couple YouTube videos, looked at this amazing view. While we did so, we're getting ready to head into town. So that's where breakfast is. We want to have breakfast, and we're going to walk through the city a little bit in Victoria, do a little shopping, take the Alucab into town, and we'll take you with us and show you what we see down there. But it's been a really nice trip, and we'll talk a little bit about the trip and our next trip here a little bit towards the end there. But for now, we're going to get ready to get out of here. Beautiful. All right, just arrived in Victoria. Parked right there. Gonna find some food. The jam was packed. I don't know if we're gonna wait that long, so we're gonna look for something else. There's always something here. Go for a burger. It's 10:15. Yep. Damn near close.
Yes, you order up at the front.
Check out Don and I. We have to wait for like an hour and a half, 90 minutes before we get on the boat. So making a cold drink, non-alcoholic, refreshing drink in the back. Just gonna hang out in the parking lot.
Read a book.
She's gonna read a book. I'll probably just fiddle with my phone more likely. Yeah, it's really nice out.